Let's continue statistics. Learning objectives, introduction of statistics, meaning of statistics, function of statistics, importance of statistics, limitation of statistics. Yes, now let's start with introduction of statistics. The word statistics seems to have been derived from the Latin word status or the Italian word statista or the German word statistiku, each of which means a political state. Statistics. What is meant by statistics? Statistics is a method of taking decision on the basis of numerical data. Statistics can be defined into two ways: singular sense, plural sense. In singular sense, statistics means statistical methods and techniques which are related to collection, organization, classification, presentation, analysis and interpretation of data. Yes, statistics in singular sense. In plural sense, what is meant by statistics? Statistics means numerical facts and figures which have been systematically collected for a definite purpose in any field of study. We'll be calling it as a statistics in plural sense. Characteristics of statistics in plural sense. The first one, aggregates of facts affected by multiplicity of causes. Statistics are numerically expressed. Statistics should be collected with reasonable standard of accuracy. Statistics are collected for a predetermined purpose. Statistics are collected in a systematic manner. Statistics should be placed in relation to each other. The first point, aggregates of facts. Aggregate of facts. Statistics are a number of facts. Single and isolated figures are not statistics. Such figures cannot be compared. We'll be calling it as an aggregate of fact. Second, affected by multiplicity of causes. Even the numerical figures, that is the data, are influenced by variety of factors. It is not an easy job to study the effect of one factor separately by ignoring the other factor. Yes, we'll be calling it is affected by multiplicity of causes. The third characteristics, statistics are numerically expressed. Yes, the statistical approach to a subject is numerical. So, any fact to be called statistics must be numerically or quantitatively expressed. The fourth point, statistics should be collected with reasonable standard of accuracy. Yes, in statistics, the data is collected with reasonable standard of accuracy. The fifth point, statistics are collected for a predetermined purpose. The purpose of collecting statistical data must be decided in advance, otherwise the usefulness of the data collected would be negligible. The sixth point, statistics are collected in a systematic manner. For accuracy or reliability of data, the figures should be collected in a systematic manner. If the figures are collected in a haphazard manner, the reliability of such data will deteriorate. The last point, statistics should be placed in relation to each other. So, in the figure, it's collected or not comparable, then they lose a large part of their significance. For the purpose of comparison, it is necessary that data must be homogeneous. See, for example, it would be meaningless to compare the height of men with height of trees because these figures are of a heterogeneous character. Such figures do not come under the category of statistics. So, these are the characteristics of statistics in plural sense. Now, let's move on to the characteristics of statistics in a singular sense. Yes, statistics is a method of singular sense. The first one, collection of data. Second one, organization of data. Third one, presentation of data. Fourth one, analysis of data. Fifth one, interpretation of data. The first, collection of data. It is a main and first step in statistical inquiry. So, the technique of collection of data depend upon the objective of study. So, this is the first and main step in statistical inquiry. The second, will be calling it as a organization of data, stage 2. After collection, the data is organized in a proper form which involve editing and classification. Stage 3, presentation of data. After classification, the data is presented in some suitable manner, maybe in the form of text, table, diagram, graph. The fourth stage, analysis of data. After presentation of data, analysis is done with the help of simple mathematical techniques. Yes, maybe includes like a central tendency, measure of dispersion, correlation, regression, etc. The last, interpretation of data. It is the last stage, stage 5, last step in the statistical methodology. It involves statistical thinking, skill and experience to derive meaning from analyzed data. So these are the statistics is a method in a singular sense. Yes, collection of data, organization of data, presentation of data, analysis of data, interpretation of data. Now, let's move on to the other one, functions of statistics. What are the functions of statistics? To simplify complex fact, to present fact in definite form, to make comparison of fact, to facilitate planning and policy formulation. It helps in forecasting, formulation and testing an hypothesis, to enlarge individual knowledge and experience. The first one, to simplify the complex fact. So it is very difficult for an individual to understand and conclude from huge numerical data. So statistical method try to present the great mass of complex data in a simple and understandable form. Second, to present a fact in definite form. Quantitative fact can easily be believed and trusted in comparison to abstract and qualitative fact. Yes? See, for example, the statement like annual rate of inflation in a country is 10% is more convincing than statement like prices are rising. The third point, to make comparison of fact. For comparison of data, various statistical methods like average, rates, percentage, ratio, etc. are used. The fourth one, to facilitate planning and policy formulation. So on the basis of numerical data and the analysis, businessmen and administration can plan future activity and shape their policies. Fifth, to help in forecasting. As a business is full of risk and uncertainties, and correct forecasting is essential to reduce the uncertainties of business. So the statistical tools like interpretation, time series analysis, etc. help in making projection for future. Sixth point, formulation and testing of hypothesis. Statistics methods are extremely useful in formulation and testing hypothesis. The last, seventh point, to enlarge individual knowledge and experience. Statistics enable people to enlarge their horizon. It sharpens the faculty of rational thinking and reasoning, and it's helpful in propounding the new theories and concepts. Yes, so these are the function of statistics. Now let's move on to the other one, importance of statistics. Statistics, it's more important to the government, importance in economics, importance in economic planning, importance in business. The first one, importance to the government. Yes, the role of government has increased and require much greater information in the form of numerical figure to fulfill the welfare objective. So, from the government, statistics, it's more important. So, for the government, the statistics is more important. The second, importance of statistics in economics. Most of the economic problems are capable of being expressed in numerical figure. Example, output of agriculture, volume of exports, price of commodities, etc. And some of uses of statistics economics are as follows, like a formulation of economic law, helps in understanding and solving of economic problem, study of market structure, helps in establishing mathematical relation, useful to study behavior of different economic concepts, price analysis. Yes, now importance of statistics in economic planning. So, economic planning is indispensable for achieving faster rate of growth through the best use of nation resources. Importance of statistics in business, for establishing of business unit, for estimating the demand of product, for production planning, for making quality control, for making marketing strategy. Okay, for all this, statistic is more important. Even its importance to the government, important in economics, importance in economic planning, and importance in business. Yes, so these are the importance of statistics. Now let's move on to the last limitation of statistics. The first one, statistics does not study qualitative phenomena. Statistics does not deal with individuals. Statistics can be misused. Statistical results are true only on average. Statistical laws are not exact. Only expert can make the best possible use of statistics. Statistical data should be uniform and homogeneous. So the first point itself, statistics does not study qualitative phenomena. Yes, statistics can be applied in studying only those problems which can be stated and expressed quantitatively. The second point, statistics does not deal with individual. Yes, statistics deals only with the aggregate of fact and no importance is attached to any individual items. Third, statistics can be misused. Even statistics can be misused by ignorant or wrongly motivated persons. Any person can misuse the statistics and draw any type of conclusion he likes. The fourth, statistical results are true only on average. Statistics as a science is not accurate as many other sciences are. So numerical science are exact as their results are universally true. However, statistic laws are not exact. Fifth, statistical laws are not exact. Yeah, statistical laws are the probabilities in nature, inference based on them. Yes. Next, only experts can make the best possible use of statistics. Only the experts alone can use the statistics in a best possible way. Seventh, statistical data should be uniform, at the same time should be homogeneous. Yes, now, so those points we have discussed in the meaning, scope of statistics. So far we have discussed about meaning of statistics, singular and plural, characteristics of statistics in plural and singular, and what are the function of statistics, and what are the importance of statistics, and what are the limitation of statistics.